Hey guys, today I have an unboxing video I wanted to show. It's not very big, as you can see. It's pretty narrow, but it's my first unboxing video, so I figured it doesn't have to be anything super big. And in the future I'll have bigger ones, but for now we just have this little stack. Included there should be a few death cards, a postcard, and honestly I don't remember what all there's going to be, so and I'm doing this with one hand since I don't have a stand for my phone, so just bear with me. Go ahead and open this first one. Let's see here. Oh, okay, here we go. Got two things. All right, here's the first. I don't know if you can see that. Christmas greetings from the 7th Division, 1918 Italy. Yeah, this one was pretty cool. And on the back it has a list of all of the, if you can see that, all the different battles and locations that they fought. This one I found, and apparently that division, they created a Christmas card for every year of the war. So I figured that would be a pretty cool thing to start collecting. So now I have one from 1918, so I'll have to find the ones from the previous years. So there's that, which I thought was pretty cool. And this, I've never actually seen one like this. There we go. It's a old postcard. I can't really make it out. It looks like it's from 1944. Yeah. So 1944, it's a postcard from Parris Island, South Carolina, which is where the U.S. Marines were at boot camp. You can see down there, "Dear, I won't be home for another week. Our platoon is going on a mess duty. This will be me." You can see there. I love these old kind of postcards. Their humor back then was great. I'll try to get that transcribed. I'm not sure if I can. There's a lot of kind of damage to the back, but I'll see if I can. Pretty cool though. I haven't found many items from Parris Island before, which is pretty cool. So that was all for the first package. Let's open the second one. This one's gonna be fun. Saran wrap. Thought about pre-opening these, but I was like, oh, I should be able to do it with just one hand. So I can just tear into it. All right, here we go. All right. You can see there, they wrote on it, USS Toro. It's a Christmas card, but it kind of looks like a photo, but I guess it's technically a Christmas card. And this one was kind of damaged, but I still wanted it. There we go. You can see USS Toro, a Christmas card. It was of the U.S. submarine that did take part in World War II towards the end. Something on the back, what is that? It's like 75 sheets. Huh. I don't know. But yeah, pretty cool item. I figure since Christmas is coming up, I'm trying to get some more Christmas items. And I saw this one was kind of damaged, as you can see, but it was only a few bucks, so I was like, why not? Pretty cool piece of history. But yeah, there's that package. That was it. And then I kind of saved the best for last. And this one, there should be, let me think, at least 2 death cards that I can think of, along with something else. There we go. Yeah, there we go. And another World War I item. All right, let's see. That can go. See what we got here. There we go. Show you one at a time. So this was a SS death card. This one was really cool. I was lucky to find this. Of according to research that I did previously, he was with the I forgot what regiment it was. It was the Hitler youth, though, the SS group that was pretty much filled with the Hitler youth. He was killed at Normandy, June 7th, so D-Day +1, which is really cool, really rare to find. I've never found a June 6th death card. I'm sure they're out there, and I'm sure if it is out there, it's freaking cost a fortune, because this one was pretty high. I paid it was around like 90 to 100 for this one, but it's worth it because it's SS and it's Normandy, so pretty cool. Yeah, you can see there, June 7th, 1944. And obviously, when it comes to this stuff, there'll be separate videos made on those. And then this was super rare. I've never seen anything like this. Let me show you. It's a death card for a father killed in World War I, son killed in World War II. And it's on the same card. Joseph Dick, Richard Dick. Joseph died on February 16th, 1917. Richard died on December 12th, 1942. And when I saw this, I had to have it, because I've never seen something like this where I had a dad and son killed, you know, in 2 world wars. I thought that was super interesting. And obviously, I'll do a separate video on that one. And then this last one, yeah, here we go. It's an old World War I postcard. Nothing special, but it has, I forgot what location this is. Let me see, sun's glare. Sorry, the video cut out there. But yeah, this is apparently a photo of in Flanders Field. All the kind of shell craters and damage you can see there. And it looks to be a photo that was made into a postcard, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so there's that. The father and son death card, SS and Normandy invasion death card, Christmas card, World War II Paris Island Marine Boot Camp postcard, as well as the World War I Christmas. So that's all for this unboxing. I have some more stuff coming, but I'm kind of impatient when it comes to this stuff. As soon as I get it, I just want to rip it open and, you know, start researching. So it's hard for me to wait, you know, weeks to receive something from overseas. But yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for watching.